Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at a strip diagram, part whole. We are using it to answer a word problem related to TEKS 3.4a, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a library that has 520 books in its children's section. Now, when we read this right here, when it had 520 books in its children's section, that's letting us know that we are dealing with a total or the whole, because everything else that's going to happen are going to be the parts of that. So we've got in a table, we've got books being checked out. So 78, that's a part. Wednesday, it's got 65, that's another part. Friday, 82, that's another part. So it looks like a traditional part whole, and they might ask how many books are left at the end of the week. You're starting with 520, you're checking out all of these books. But then on Saturday, we've got 43 books being returned to the library. So this is another part, but this is a different part. And so this is actually a two-step problem because now we need to figure out how many children books we have now. If we can show this with a strip diagram, it's going to help us figure out how we can do the two steps required in this problem. So let's start with what we have over here on the left. We have a children's library book section with 520. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a strip diagram. I'm going to make my total right here. I'm just going to list 520. Now, even though there are only 3 rows, I'm going to add a 4th row because there is a number that we need to figure out that is not necessarily a part of it. Okay? And so how many are left before we return? And so that is a missing number that we need. Because what I could do then is I can break up my parts into 4 parts. All right, so I've got 78 that's being taken out on Monday. I've got 65 on Wednesday. I've got 82 on Friday. Now, even if you round each of those up to 100, we're not going to have all of the library books gone. We have over 200 library books still there. So we've got this amount right here that is my leftover. Okay. So what happens with this 43? Well, the 43 come back in and they're changing the total. The total's going to go from 520. Now we've got this 43 that's coming back in. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to extend past the total. We're going to figure out what this 43 is. So there's a few different ways we can do this. If we want to show this with an equation, we can say, well, I've got my 520. Then I'm going to subtract my 78. I'm going to subtract my 65. I'm going to subtract my 82. Then I need to add back in my 43. That would work. That would get you your unknown. Or if you want, we could add the 43 to the 520. We can make our total bigger up to 563 and then subtract the 3 smaller parts that we know. That works. Let's figure out this subtotal right here. How much did we actually check out? Well, we checked out 78, 65, and 82. Let's add those. Make it 10 if possible. 10 and 5 make 15. So that's going to be 8 and 8 make 16. And the 2 is 22. So 225 books were checked out. So let's figure out what we have with the 520. Took away 225. And so this is going to be 295 books left, which is an answer choice, but don't forget the 43. Now we need to return 43. That's going to be 13, 338. Our answer is A.